Welcome everyone to the Lodge Cast Iron Factory Tour, brought to you by me, Catherine Strait-Smith, WiM Tennessee member and partner owner of Main Street Insurance Group in Morristown. Lodge Cast Iron is about to celebrate its 160th anniversary. Its headquarters is located in Pittsburgh, Tennessee, which is about 45 minutes west of Chattanooga. The Lodge Culture and Talent team kicked things off and shared with us a little bit about the history and the values of the organization. They also gave us this adorable little skillet with a sticker and this precious button. After that, we headed downstairs to get ready for the factory tour. They had these awesome headsets to speak into so that everybody could hear because it's so loud in the facility. This is my friend Sarah and me posing with our lovely headsets. I will do my absolute best to describe this manufacturing process for you. We had two amazing tour guides, one of whom was the fourth generation in her family to work at Lodge. Now that is impressive. The basic steps in the process are melting, pouring, casting, cleaning, grinding, finishing, and then finally packaging. From start to finish, we learned it takes about 2 to 2.5 hours. The raw materials they use are scrap steel, pig iron, recycled castings, and alloys. They use a huge magnet like this with a crane operator to pick up all of the raw materials and put them into the furnace. It was really fun to watch this part. After the raw materials are melted, they are poured into this ladle. Then the crane operator moves this very hot ladle and pours it into a big vat. The next part of the process is pouring the hot iron into the mold. This process was one of my favorite takeaways of the tour. Did you know they use a combination of sand, clay, and water to create the mold? I had no idea. They let us touch it, and it has the consistency of kinetic sand. Sand has a higher melting point than iron. I had some fun playing with this matter at the Lodge Museum. Smile! After the product comes out of the mold, it goes through a multi-step cleaning process. This video here looks like a big rock tumbler. There are media in there that help clean all of the product. After the product is cleaned, it goes through a grinding process to remove any imperfections. Then it is seasoned, packaged, and out the door. And you can see all of these beautiful finished pieces here at the museum. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't at least take a little bit of time to give my observations from a risk management perspective. Overall, I thought the facility had excellent housekeeping. It was very clean for a forge. Every employee was wearing the proper PPE according to their own role. Lodge is also implementing automation in some high-risk areas that will help reduce employee injury and also increase productivity. There are definitely some roles and positions that are very physically intense. Our tour guides made sure to say that each of these roles is rotated very frequently and appropriately. And lastly, there seems to be excellent employee engagement across the board, which just leads to a better, safer, and happier workplace. In closing, I will leave you with this. There is a great debate amongst cast iron enthusiasts and users as to whether or not you use soap or no soap to clean your pan. Which side are you on? Are you a soap or are you a no soap person? Thank you so much to the WiM Tennessee chapter and to Lodge for hosting such a great group yesterday. I had a lot of fun and look forward to the next event.